Common loan products. Gold loans. Question 15. Banks can grant loan against which of the following form of gold? A. Bullion, ornament, jewelry. B. Bullion, primary gold, ornament. C. Bullion, primary gold, ornament, jewelry. D. Primary gold, ornament, jewelry. Answer is C. Bullion, primary gold, ornament, jewelry. Question 16. Banks can allow advance against specially minted gold coins sold by them where the weight does not exceed dash grams per customer. A. 10 grams. B. 20 grams. C. 50 grams. D. 100 grams. Answer is C. 50 grams. Question 17. The valuation of gold jewelry and ornaments accepted for loan to be done on the basis of average of closing price of 22 karat gold for preceding dash days as quoted by Indian Bullion and Jewellers Association Limited. A. 15 days. B. 30 days. C. 1 month. D. 2 months. Answer is B. 30 days. Question 18. Loan to value ratio in case of loan by accepting gold ornaments and jewelry as security should not exceed A. 75%, B. 80%, C. 85%, D. 90%. Answer is A. 75%. 19. The period of loan against the security of gold ornaments and jewelry should not exceed dash when loan is given for non-agriculture purpose. A. 6 months, B. 9 months, C. 12 months, D. 18 months. Answer is C. 12 months. Education loans. Question 20. Education loan can be allowed by a bank to the following extent if the loan is to be classified as priority sector loan. Which one is correct? A. Education in India rupees 10 and education abroad rupees 20 lakh. B. Education in India rupees 20 lakh and education abroad rupees 10 lakh. C. Education in India rupees 10 lakh and education abroad rupees 10 lakh. D. Education in India rupees 20 lakh and education abroad rupees 20 lakh. Answer is A. Education in India rupees 10 lakh and education abroad rupees 20 lakhs. 21. In education loan, the security norms are as under. Which one is not correct? A. For all loans, the parents to be co-borrowers. B. For loan up to rupees 4 lakh, no collateral or third-party guarantee to be taken. C. For loan above 4 lakhs, collateral or third-party guarantee can be taken. D. For loan above rupees 7.50 lakhs, collateral can be taken. Answer is C. For loan above rupees 4 lakhs, collateral or third-party guarantee can be taken. 22. In education loan, which of the following statements is correct regarding margin on the loan? A. Margin is 2% for loan up to rupees 5 lakh. B. Up to rupees 4 lakh nil and above rupees 4 lakh it is 5% uniform for education abroad and education in India. C. Up to rupees 4 lakh nil and above rupees 4 lakh it is 15% for education in India and 5% for education abroad. D. Up to rupees 4 lakh nil and above rupees 4 lakh it is 5% for education in India and 15% for education abroad. Answer is D. Up to rupees 4 lakh nil and above rupees 4 lakh it is 5% for education in India and 15% for education abroad. Question 23. For education loan, which of the following statement is correct regarding moratorium period and repayment period? A. Loan is repayable within 5 to 7 years after moratorium. B. Loan is repayable within 5 to 7 years including moratorium. C. Moratorium period is 1 year or 6 months after the job. D. None of the above is correct. Answer is D. None of the above is correct. Question 24. If interest is serviced during the moratorium period, banks can allow dash concession in rate of interest for the moratorium period. A. 0.25%. B. 0.50%. C. 1.00%. D. 1 to 2%. Answer is D. 1 to 2%. Home loans. Question 1. The loan to value ratio for a home loan up to Rs 20 lakh as stipulated by RBI is A. Maximum 75%. B. Maximum 80%. C. Maximum 90%. D. Discretion of the bank. Answer is C. Maximum 90%. Question 2. The loan to value ratio for a home loan above Rs 20 lakh and up to Rs 75 lakh as stipulated by RBI is A. Maximum 75%. B. Maximum 80%. C. Maximum 90%. D. Discretion of the bank. Answer is B. Maximum 80%. Question 3. The loan to value ratio for a home loan above 75 lakh rupees as stipulated by RBI is A. Maximum 75%. B. Maximum 80%. C. Maximum 90%. D. Discretion of the bank. Answer is A. Maximum 75%. Question 4. The cost of house being purchased by X is Rs 15 lakh. Registration and stamp duty charges are Rs 1 lakh. What is the maximum amount of loan that can be allowed by bank if X otherwise fulfills the obligatory criteria? A. Rs 16 lakh. B. Rs 15 lakh. C. Rs 14.40 lakh. D. Rs 13.50 lakhs. Answer is Rs 13.50 lakhs, that is D. The loan to value ratio is max 90% for loan up to Rs 20 lakh, and to calculate the value, the registration and stamp duty charges can be included for loan up to Rs 10 lakh only. Accordingly, the total value is Rs 15 lakh. Loan amount shall be 13.50 lakh, that is 15 into 90%. Borrower will contribute 1.5 lakh plus stamp duty charges. With this, we come to the end of the topic, Common Loan Products.